Learning how to turn your existing long YouTube uploads into bite-sized shorts is a brilliant way to save massive amounts of time on content creation. Beyond just saving time, these clips act as powerful funnels that direct curious viewers back to your full-length episodes. While this trick is a staple for big channels, it is absolutely golden for smaller creators who are trying to grow their audience quickly. Today, I will walk you through my exact process, starting with mobile tools, moving to desktop workflows, and finishing with some automated magic. Make sure you stick around to the very end because I am sharing 3 specific strategies to use shorts to drive views on every long video you publish. Hi, I am Jerry, and if you need to skip ahead to a specific section, check out the timestamps in the description. Let us start with the easiest method, which involves using just your phone and the native YouTube application. Go to your channel, tap on your profile picture, select your videos, and pick the long-form upload you want to transform. Scroll down and tap the share button, then look for the remix option, which allows you to edit that video directly into a short. Keep in mind that this specific remix feature only works on videos that you personally own on your channel. Once the clip loads, use the duration control in the corner to toggle between 15 and 60 seconds of total length. Use the white handles on your timeline to trim the clip to the exact start and end points of the highlight you want to feature. If you are pulling content from a long podcast, it helps to know roughly where the juicy bits are before you start trimming. After you have your clip, explore the layout options to stack your footage, especially if you have an interview with 2 different camera angles. You can simply pinch and zoom to frame your guest on the top and the host on the bottom, converting widescreen to vertical in seconds. While that mobile workflow is amazing for speed, desktop tools give you a lot more control for batch processing your clips. I personally use 2 different approaches, one that is script-based like Descript, and another that is automated like CapCut. Descript is fantastic because it provides a full transcript that lets you search for and identify the most interesting clips. You can ask the AI helper to find you 5 30-second clips, and it will scan the transcript to suggest the punchiest parts. Always remember to preview the transcript before committing because sometimes the AI picks snippets that do not quite make sense. Once you have your clips, you can flip them to portrait mode, add your captions, and export each one as a separate file. The main downside here is that if your podcast already has graphics baked in, the framing can look a little clunky. For speed, you might prefer a semi-automated generator like CapCut, which can pull multiple candidates from a single long video in one click. I had it pull 18 different candidates from a 33-minute episode, and about a third were ready to post immediately. Just be careful with auto caption placement, as some tools might put your text too low where it gets covered by platform UI elements. This brings me to Vizard, which is the tool I have been using lately to stitch together the best of both worlds. Vizard is designed specifically for turning long-form content into viral clips without requiring you to babysit every single step. The AI scans your footage and automatically identifies moments with high potential, like engaging sound bites and audience hooks. It also helps with scheduling, allowing you to set a frequency so the software queues and publishes the clips for you automatically. This is a massive game changer for creators who need to maintain a consistent output without manually posting every single day. Everything appears in one content calendar, so you can preview, edit, and schedule without bouncing between 5 different apps. Compared to other options, Vizard offers smarter cropping and caption placement that keeps your videos safe for cross-platform reposting. Regardless of the tool you use, try to work with raw camera feeds whenever possible to avoid issues with baked-in graphics. Always keep platform safe zones in mind, leaving enough room at the top and bottom so your captions are never obscured. Treat your AI-generated clips as drafts, because adding a quick human touch to the beginning or end can really lift the quality. Now, here are the 3 strategies I use to actually drive views back to my long-form content using these shorts. First, clip your long videos into several punchy moments and link them back to the full episode in the description or via a call to action. People appreciate the bite-sized value, and if you hook them, they will naturally want to click through for the deep dive. Second, record dedicated shorts that summarize the entire video, allowing you to control the pacing and the hook perfectly. This works because you are not limited by what was captured in the original recording. You get to craft the perfect teaser. Third, remix your own older content by taking a memorable quote and adding fresh commentary or a rebuttal to provide new context. This is an incredibly easy way to breathe new life into older videos without having to reshoot the entire project from scratch. Finally, remember that cross-posting is powerful, but each platform displays UI elements differently, so check your framing. If you follow these safe zone guidelines, your content will look professional no matter where you decide to share it. Mix and match these tools based on whether you need raw speed, precise editing, or high-volume batch scheduling. If this video helped you, please hit that like button or leave a comment below telling me which tool you are using today. And if you want my free guide on safe zone framing for cross-platform posting, just grab the link in the description. I will catch you in the next one, so go make a bunch of shorts and point people back to your masterpieces.